Okay, so question number 13 we have is the number of words which can be formed using all the letters of word daughter so that all the vowels never come together. So they are asking we have to find the number of ways in which the using all the letters of the word daughter, right? And the condition is what? Vowels never come together. So what we'll do, just see, we will write daughter DAUGHTR, right? So let's see how many ways we can form, how many words we can form, right? Number of words we can form is simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of ways is what? Simply it is 8 factorial. And they are asking the vowels should never come together. The vowels never come together. So we will, from the total cases, if we subtract the cases in which vowels are together, so that will give the answer, right? Total minus those cases where the vowels are together will give you the answer. So I am assuming this as, this I am rewriting as D, G, H, T, R, and all the vowels I am writing together, A, U and E. Now this I have to assume this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 separate unit, and this I have to assume this as 1 unit. So total number of units we have is 6. So this will count as 6 factorial. The rearrangement possible is what? 6 factorial. Also the internal rearrangement is very much possible because A can come here, E can come here. So for this I am writing what? 3 factorial. 6 factorial into 3 factorial. Now we will solve it. If I take common what? 6 factorial from here I will get 7 into 8. 7 into 8 is 56 and here it is 3 factorial is 6. So this will come as 6 factorial. 6 factorial is how much? 5 factorial 720 and this will become what? 50. So 720 into 50 is 372 into 5 360 and 00, right? So final answer will come as what? Vowels never come together. So option number C is the correct option and the option number C is 36,000.